Hello there guys, this is John again from Didacta, introducing a word game. Now if you want to have your students moving around and competing, well, this is the best game you want to check out. Actually, with this game you get to know how much vocabulary your students already. So this is what you do. You form teams and they have to stand up in lines either by the whiteboard into sets, well, let's say lines. You draw, if you have 3 groups or 4 groups, you divide them in lines. And what you're going to do is you're going to take out all of these cards and you're going to put them inside a color bag so they can't choose the card. So they take one out. Let's say they start with this one. So what has to be done now is that all of the groups, without saying a single word, everybody has to be silent. Nobody can give advice to their own teammates. So what they do is they have to make as many words as possible that begin with the syllable ba, right? So they can write many things like base. What else? They cannot write names of people, but they can write ball. They can write basket. They can write ballad, band, bar. Well, maybe they might not say that word, but they can come up with a lot of words. So what you're going to do is, at the end, after you have divided the board into lines, what you're going to do is you're going to see who wrote which word first. So if somebody wrote the same word on a second line, so they have to be very well organized, that means that that word will not count. Only the person who wrote it first. Right? So every word is a point. So you can give them 2 minutes to see how many words they can come up with. So this is what happens. You have a student coming up to the board and then you have a write. Right? Once a student has finished writing a sentence, then he has to go back in line, and then the next student is going to write his own word that starts with the syllable ba, right? And after 2 minutes have passed, you can now take out another card, and everybody has to start making words that start with another syllable. Let's say you start with H-O, so they have to draw right sentences like house, horse, hose, hope, etc. Alright, so it's a fun game. Students move around and you have a lot of fun. We're talking about $2.49. Thanks a lot and have a great day.